I'm at Everett Chevrolet in Hickory, North Carolina for the unveiling of the new Corvette. So let's go inside and get a look at it. You see some Corvettes out here. I'm not sure if they're the new or the used.
When you really need your
Corvette, folks. What's it top out at?
Don't know.
200 and something. How many horsepower?
That's a good question for these guys. That guy right there can tell you everything you need to know about it.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Is that beautiful or what? Looks like a Ferrari or something, the styling of it. And it's the first mid-engine Corvette. You see the engine is back there behind the seats.
Yeah.
Why don't y'all just crank it one time?
Actually, it's rear engine.
Yeah, I want to hear it run.
What's up, neighbor? I see you everywhere.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, good.
I just came up to look and see if I wanted to trade mine on one of these.
Yeah, no, I came up here to film my new ride.
It's a nice looking automobile.
It is. How many horsepower, you know?
No, I don't. Hey, man, how you doing? I thought I just met you in Claremont a while ago, didn't I? I didn't take mine out. No, too much of a rain chance.
What's the price on it, you know?
Something like this, it says around 50. He said around 58, 60.
Oh, really?
With the
That's
ZR1.
all. I figured it'd be a lot higher.
That's
That's
base.
base, yeah,
base.
base.
Is that what this is?
This is
Base.
a Stingray. Z06 come out next year.
Okay.
So this is the base model.
Yeah.
Does it have the package on it where it reads the road?
Is it 5.7 V8? 427. Wow, they brought that back out, huh?
I think so.
How many horsepower?
I'm not sure. Probably 450, 500 somewhere in there.
Wow. Looks like the Batmobile inside. First rear engine Corvette ever. But then again, that means you've got fiberglass up front with no engine to protect you, nothing to protect you at all up front. That's the only negative about that. Hope I'm not moving the camera around too much. Don't want to make y'all sick. It's a beautiful piece of American artwork right there from Bowling Green, Kentucky.
It's like active swaying.
Excuse me. Beautiful interior. Stingray.
I get it.
Well, anyway, y'all, that's a new look at the new Corvette Stingray, the first rear-engine Corvette ever. And you know, is it a 20 or 20?
Probably 2020.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Obviously, there's some more combinations.
Then they've got some late model ones, some used ones for sale out here at Everett Chevrolet. I feel like I should get paid by them for doing this. This is beautiful red Corvette here with the white racing stripe. I'd be happy with one of these. Yeah, it's not the new one. See, there's no engine in the back. That's a Corvette Grand Sport. Oh, here's the black one that's running. Listen at it. We'll take off in it. Dang it, it's raining. I don't care. I'm gonna go out here and look at it anyway. I wonder if I get in a lot of trouble if I took it for a joyride, you reckon? 755 ZR1. Listen to this. I tried.
Thanks, man.
Little red Corvette, baby, you're much too fast. I've only got to drive a Corvette one time, and that's when a friend of mine who actually had a borrowed Corvette, and I ain't gonna say who owned it, but my friend passed out drunk and left his keys in the ignition. And it was an 84, nothing like this, but it was still fast. Those was the 84 models would still do 150. But so I couldn't resist taking it for a little joyride. And the electronics weren't working on it, so I don't know how fast I had it, but I know I had it fast enough that the fiberglass rod came off the ground when I would hit bumps. It was like skiing over moguls, you know, in snow skiing. You hit a little bump and you get some air. Corvettes get off the ground real easy because they're so lightweight. Greatest American sports car at all time. There's only been a few to really even come close. You know, the Ford GT is on par with the Corvette, and in the 50s the Thunderbird was on par with the Corvette. Well, at least 55 to 57 Thunderbird. And in the 80s, well, in the late 60s, early 70s, you know, the Boss 429 Mustangs and 428 Cobra Jet Mustangs were just as fast as the Corvettes. And in the 80s, the Mustangs, which were a lot cheaper, were almost as fast as the Corvettes in the mid-80s. Corvettes were running around $40,000 then, and you could get a Mustang for about 14 grand brand new. And there was only about 10 miles an hour difference in the top speeds back then, 140 to 150 miles an hour. Anyway, little drummer boy here, live from Everett Chevrolet, Hickory, North Carolina. And look at this Cadillac. That's a nice machine too. I'm a Ford guy, but I gotta admit, GM makes some awesome stuff. But anyway, I'm live at Everett Chevrolet, Hickory, North Carolina, and showing you the new rear engine Corvette, the orange one we just looked at. If you like my content, like, subscribe, and share. Have a blessed day, y'all. Bye.